news, views, voices of the global Indian community. India abroad.
मेरा नाम बसंत गुप्ता है। वैसे यहाँ पर यूएस में लोग मुझे बॉबी गुप्ता के नाम से ज़्यादा जानते हैं और मैं कानपुर यूपी से बिलोंग करता हूँ। और वैसे तो मैं केमिकल इंजीनियर हूँ एंड लॉ का ग्रेजुएट भी हूँ इंडिया से, लेकिन यहाँ पर आके मैं बिजनेस कर रहा हूँ। हमारे होटल्स हैं और भी इन्वेस्टमेंट हैं प्रोग्राम्स। और यहाँ पर आके वैसे मैं जब इंडिया से यहाँ मूव किया था उस समय मैं कानपुर लायंस क्लब का प्रेसिडेंट भी रह चुका हूँ एंड लाइजन ऑफिसर भी रह चुका हूँ। तो यहाँ आने के बाद कुछ कल्चरल एक्टिविटी में और सामाजिक सेवा में हमारा शुरू से रुचि रही है, वहीं से इंडिया से ही। तो यहाँ आके भी मैं जो हमारा भारतीय समुदाय यहाँ पर है वहाँ पर धीरे धीरे मैं काफ़ी एक्टिव हो गया हूँ। और यहाँ पर इस समय मैं साउथ जर्सी इंडियन एसोसिएशन के ट्रस्टी का प्रेसिडेंट भी हूँ। जो यहाँ पर जो बोर्ड वॉक है, अटलांटिक सिटी बोर्ड वॉक, वहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट परेड करीब 15 ईयर्स एगो की थी स्टार्ट हम लोगों ने, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द इंडिया डे परेड। और इस साल अगस्त 17 में उसका 15th ईयर है। So that is also I'm very active on that, on all the activities, and plus I am also very active Republican here, and all the Republican activity and political activity I'm always involved there. And मैं प्लानिंग बोर्ड का मेंबर भी हूँ अपने सिटी का एंड काउंटी कमिश्नर भी हूँ यहाँ पर। सो आई एम वेरी एक्टिव इन cultural, social, and political activity too. Means as an Indian, I am very proud of it. And to be honest, I will say in one word, I am a very good fan of the Modi ji. Not in that sense that Narendra Modi, but as a prime minister, what he done and achieve the goal for Indians and we all Indians. When I say we all Indians means Indians who are living in India and Indians who are living abroad too. So I can compare that when I moved to this country in 1990 and since today, we Indians are feeling very proud of it. And that feeling, it is hard to express. Whenever we go, means political, like the system of this country and the people, now they respect we more than before. And it is also a fact that Modi has done so many great things for us, for Indian, means all the Indians. And I don't need to like count his achievement. The best thing I can say 370, 10th lakh, and so many his schemes which he is doing for the poor Indians. Because I'm very attached with the poor Indians, to be honest with you. When I was in India, I was running a leper colony in India, doing some ICAMs, this and that. So I have gone through with that. And the pleasure and जो एक means the people who are not blessed from the God, to serve them, I feel, I treat that as a service to the God. So that is my feeling about it, and it is the blessing from the God that after all this turmoil, Modi has won his third term too. So I think that whatever the dream he has, or the work which he has not done yet, he will finish all things for the future, for the good of the India. I think in third term, in living here abroad, I prefer that one nation and one election, because that will save lot of time from all the politicians. Forget about Modi ji, BJP, Congress. Every politician will save the time, energy, and money. And the best thing is the valuable time of the Indian people. So that is the first thing. And then second, which he is thinking to the like a universal civil code. Because when I'm living here in US, I know what is the meaning of that. One nation, one law. Whether I am a prime minister or I am a general public, I am a Christian, I am a not Christian, the law should be same. It should not be like a Muslim or a Christian or someone else or Hindu even have the different laws. That is a very drawback of India, and that has to go away. And plus, he should do some improvement of India more, means help the more poor people and bring them in the middle class. So that's the vision I have, and I think Modi has the same vision, and he is working on it. And we all can pray that he should get it done. So these are the main things.